Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So here are my mini twists, and I'm about a week and a half in. You can't even tell I have fine hair, can you? Well, that's because of how I installed these twists, at least I think so. I made a video showing how I put them in, and I'll be sure to link that video in the description box so you can watch it later. It doesn't look like much when my hair is all pulled up, but that's okay because I don't wear it up. And my hair is actually the finest at my nape area, so I intentionally put my twists in very loosely back there. I'm afraid if I twist too tight, I'll end up pulling my hair out. But the rest of my hair looks great. Again, these twists are about a week and a half old, and because I installed them so loosely, they look like they're older. And some of them have unraveled on the end. Quite a few have unraveled actually, and I didn't retwist them because I kind of like the way they look. Just, loved and lived in. Now, one thing I can say about mini twists and twists of any kind really is that they are a wonderful protective style. I do mini twists every now and then, but I do flat twists, flat twist outs like all the time. Like really all the time. And I've been able to retain a fair amount of growth from the mini twists and just from back-to-back twist outs. Styling mini twists is it's really fun because you can do so much with them, and they're you just have so many options. So I'm sharing a few of my favorite styles with you today. Now the first one is really easy. At first I just wasn't really sure which styles I wanted to share, but I did pick out about 7, and all I'm using for the first one is a few bobby pins. Now, to minimize showing a lot of scalp, which is important when you have fine hair, I'm using twists from the underside near my ears, and I'll be using them as anchors for this style. So I just grab some braids, some mini twists rather, from the underside near my ear, and I'll pull those up while letting the other twists stay in their place. So I'm not, exposing my scalp near the crown area. And the 2 anchor twists, really, they're there to keep the other twists from falling in my face. So I do the first side and then do the other side, secure them with the bobby pins, and that's all for this style. Very, very easy. Now for style number 2, in the front, just pull the hair over to one side and twist, almost like a half halo braid, and twist it and just take it back as far as you want and secure it with the bobby pin. Once you finish the first side, twist the other side as well, but just using the perimeter twists. So the ones that are at the front of my hair and then down by my ear. And then smoothing down your edges is optional. It just helps polish the look a little. Friends, if you notice, I'm showing various angles from all of the styles that I'm sharing. Well, the first four anyway. I'm sharing various angles because, when we go out in public, we want our hair to look its best. So I'm just showing you what the crown of my hair looks like, and how I'm really, really trying to camouflage my scalp and the parts. And because these twists are a week old and I put them in loosely, there's not a lot of scalp showing at all. So like I mentioned, they don't look as neat, and they may come off even as looking really fuzzy or not neat on camera, but in person I feel like they still look very nice, and I'm confident when I go out. If I have to run to the store or something, I know we're all sheltered in place right now, but I'm very comfortable with how my hair looks. And so the purpose of me just showing you side views, crown views, is just so you get a better idea of what the styles really, really look like. And that may be helpful for someone. So that's why I'm taking the extra, 10, 15, 20 seconds to show you the various angles. So style number 3 also keeps hair off your face. This one is also pretty simple. I think they all are. Just grab as much hair as you want from the crown section and, separate it off with a twist tie, not a twist tie, an elastic band or something, but just separate it. Bring both sides up and secure it at the crown with bobby pins, and then just twist the front side over and secure it. And in just a bit you'll see how I end up turning my little side ponytail into somewhat of a bun, which I liked better. I just let the style morph. It was okay, I could have left it the way it was, but I turned it into more of a bun. And that is the beauty of hair. You can always change it. So just let your style morph and certainly make it your own. 5 and 6 are also some of my go-tos. I just really like all of the styles that I'm sharing with you today. But 5 and 6 are so easy peasy. This is my favorite way to wear my twists. Just free flowing. I lost the original footage of the twists, so but I still wanted to make sure that I showed it to you. This style is so versatile, it's so carefree. You can dress it up, dress it down. I just really enjoy having these mini twists in. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and just a special thank you to everyone who watches my channel and engages with me in their comments. It keeps me coming back every single week. Thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and until next time, keep it naturally corporate.